What's up guys, it's Face here, and today we're checking out the brand new EasySMX X20 multi-platform wireless controller. I'm excited to unbox it, put it to the test, and see if it stands up to the hype, so let's get started. Here it is, brand new in the box, and I've dropped it a few times, so there are some dings. They weren't there before, I swear. Let's open this up. There we go, beautiful. Take the plastic off, swallow it, and we're good. Let's open up the box. It's a nice looking white controller here, and we can just take it out just like this. It's really light. I was not expecting it to be this light, and it's pretty clicky. It is a clicky controller. Back here we can switch between modes. We have these 4 programmable buttons. We'll take a look at this a little bit more. Here is the 2.4 gigahertz dongle here. We can plug this into our PC to become wireless, but if we don't want to, we can use this USB-C cable right here. So if we plug this in, it becomes a wired controller. All right, let's test it out with a wired connection. And we're moving around here. We're moving around. It's working. It's a pretty comfortable controller. It's essentially like an Xbox controller, and it does somewhat remind me of the 8-bit Do controller, but a little bit bigger, and it's not as rough. Build quality wise, I'd have to say that the plastic does actually feel a little bit cheaper than I expected. It looks nice, but there is just something about this plastic I don't like. You're not really going to be throwing this controller around because you could pretty much just pat it on the back like a baby. Cough it up, and it will cough up the joystick. Maybe. Cough it up, buddy. Never mind, it stayed in there. But it's that easy to take off, as you see. It just came right off just like that. Maybe this one will fall off if I treat it. See, if I treat it like a baby, they just both pop off. They're popping off here, guys. They don't essentially lock it. There we go. They're locked in. No, they're not. So you drop the controller. You might lose some joysticks, but then I can just stick it back on like that and go, They're easy to take off. We did it. We're safe. They're back. We have a complete controller now. Yes. It vibrated, but it's saying it's disconnected. Where are you? I want to play the... There. Hey, it's back. We're back, baby. Let's go. Let's freaking game. We're gaming with the EasySMX X20 controller. It's not even released yet. We should try it wireless now. Okay, so with a 2.4 gigahertz connection, you plug in the receiver. I don't mean to flip you off. You push down this home button for about 5 seconds, and then it should vibrate, which it just did right now, and we're here. All right, let's go. Let's grab a knife here. That's not a knife. This is a knife. And you know what? While we're here, let's try Bluetooth. There it is. Xbox wireless controller. Okay, yeah, we are connected via Bluetooth, and I do feel some lag here. Certainly some lag here. It's not reading my... I want to go right. We're just going left. Yeah, I would not use Bluetooth. Remove device. Get off of here. No Bluetooth for you. So far, so good. The controller is not broken yet. I've dropped it a few times. I've manhandled it, and it's maintained its buoyancy, its integrity, and it's also in new condition. I've dropped it a few times, and it remains persistent. But we have to do one final drop test here. I play a lot of mobile games, and this is my go-to controller right here. And I drop it all the time. When I drop it, the magnetic sides come off, which is nothing. They come off easily. And so do the joysticks. But it has never failed me. So if this can remain safe, if this remains in good shape after a drop like that controller just went through, I'm gonna have to give this controller a smash if we were playing Smash or Pass. I will have to recommend this controller. Here it goes. It did lose both joysticks, but what if I drop it from up here? It did lose the joysticks, but it's working. We can just put them back on. Can you change the RGB? I don't know. There's probably a lot of stuff you can do with this. You're right, there is. I've been using this controller for a while now because it's the only controller that I have left. And there was a point where it broke because I dropped it a few times. My X button is stuck. So I tried to take it apart without breaking it. Let's see if we can take this apart without breaking it. And that somehow fixed it. Why do you work now? Compared to all the other controllers I compared it to in future videos, this is the only one left standing. And it looks brand new. This is one of the controllers I compared it to. So I feel like I owe it to the EasySMX X20 to tell you about its features. Hall trigger dual mode switching. The dual locks on the back triggers let you switch between linear trigger mode, which is great for racing games, and micro switch mode for precise control in various games. Detachable Hall joysticks, featuring a Hall sensor to eliminate drift. This joystick also has adjustable heights depending on how you put these joysticks back in. Full mechanical buttons. The X20's full mechanical buttons deliver a crisp, tactile feel with instant feedback and faster response times. Not only that, the buttons are back backlit. RGB mode, customize your controller's look with dynamic lighting. You can change the color of the light, you can change the brightness, and you can even use different effects. Get the EasySMX X20 using the link in the description. There might also be a code that you can use to get a discount. Thanks for watching. Smash like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.